Hello, and welcome to our video on magnesium reactions.
This table shows our predictions on the properties of the shown materials.
This table shows our predictions on the following reactions.
Here are the instructions to our first reaction. Using a graduated cylinder, measure 5 ml of hydrochloric acid and pour it into a test tube. Add a small piece of magnesium ribbon, add a second piece so you can see the reaction again.
Here are the results to our first reaction. In reaction number 1, when the magnesium ribbon was placed inside the test tube with the hydrochloric acid in it, the magnesium ribbon started to bubble and move around slightly. After some time, it began dissolving and the solution became translucent white.
Here are our instructions for the second reaction. Using the tip of the scoopula, place a small amount of magnesium sulfate into a clean, dry test tube. Measure 5 milliliters of water using a graduated cylinder. Add the water to the test tube containing the magnesium sulfate. Shake the test tube to dissolve the solid. Next, repeat the step using sodium carbonate. Pour the magnesium sulfate solution in test tube number 1 into the sodium carbonate solution in test tube number 2.
Here are the results for our second reaction. In reaction number 2, when test tube number 1 with the magnesium sulfate solution was poured into the second test tube with the sodium carbonate solution, the new solution became practically opaque white. Oddly, we felt as though the tube was very heavy compared to the weights of the two previous solutions.
These are the instructions for the third reaction. Using the tip of the scoopula, place a small amount of copper 2 chloride into a clean, dry test tube. Measure 5 ml of water and add it to the test tube with copper 2 chloride. Shake the test tube to dissolve the solid. Add a small piece of magnesium ribbon to the copper 2 chloride solution.
These are the results to our third reaction. In reaction number 3, when the magnesium ribbon was added into the copper 2 chloride solution, it was very slow at first. It would slowly bubble and dissolve, and more at times. Later, it began to break apart and incinerate while also bouncing. During this time, the top of the solution was fizzing, while the rest of the test tube was translucent blue, and the black remnants sunk to the bottom. After some time, the color of the solution changed from translucent blue to a form of aquamarine. The magnesium slowly disappeared.
Here is our analysis of reaction 1. Awesome.
Here's our analysis for reaction number 2.
Here's our analysis of reaction 3.
Thanks for watching our video.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Yay!